Hello students, today we shall be starting with a new chapter which will be the 15th chapter, Introduction to the bar graphs, basically the graphs, bar graphs. Okay, the graphs. In 5th chapter we have studied some of the graphs like bar graphs and pie chart. Okay, histogram and all. So in this, the bar graph, pie chart, a line graph, ये तीन चीज हम पढ़ेंगे. Okay, bar graph basically again we have studied that, but its definition I'm just showing you. A bar graph is used to show the comparison between the categories, where like students height and all. Okay, you can compare the categories. It may consist of two or more parallel lines. Right? It may be two parallel lines, दो bar graph पर लिखी है. Okay, two or more parallel lines, or vertical, or maybe horizontal also. Okay. Pie chart is used to compare the parts of the whole. 360 degree compare the parts of the whole. Okay. To make a circle like this and compare that with some degrees in the 5th chapter. A line graph displays data that changes continuously over a period of time. Okay, data changes continuously over a period of time. We will see this first question, then you get more idea of that. Okay. Now, first question: the following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. हर घंटे patient का temperature record करती थी nurse. Now, this is the graph which has been shown. Okay. Now here a jagged line is there. If you remember, children, okay, when we don't start with 0, directly start from other numbers. Okay. Then a jagged line comes. Either vertically or horizontally. अगर यहाँ से भी है तो vertically और horizontally हम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. यहाँ 9 AM PM तो यहाँ पर रखनी होती है, पर इधर जरूरत है. तो अब पूरा jagged line. Okay. 9 AM में temperature was 35, 36, which means 35.6. 10 AM 36. 11 AM 37. 38, 39. Then 12 AM 38.5, 1 AM 36.5, 2 AM 36.5, same, and 3 PM. 3 PM is what? 37. What is the patient's temperature at 1 PM? 1 PM. This 36.5. What was the patient temperature at 30? When was the temperature? When was the patient's temperature? 38.5. 38.5 कब था बेटा? So you can use 38.5 here. Okay, which is at 12 noon, 12 PM. The temperature was the same. Okay, 2 during the period given. Same था. कौन सा 2 में था same? 1 PM and 2 PM, which is 36.5. 1 PM and 2 PM, which is 36.5. Okay, the space was less. That's why I have written the fourth question here. What was the temperature at 130 PM? How did you arrive at the answer? The temperature was 36.5. Okay, 130 PM. 130 PM है, ये नहीं दो के बीच में हुआ. अब ये दो के बीच में ये horizontal line है. Okay, तो same ही जा रही है, which is 36.5. Okay, we have taken the mid value of the 1 PM and 2 PM. अब लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या करना है? 1 PM और 2 PM का mid value लेना है. It proceeds perpendicularly upward to meet the horizontal line. Okay, देखो आगे perpendicularly upward जा रही है, पर यहाँ पे लाइन दोनों सेम है. Okay, 36.5, 36.5. Okay, so here also it will be same in short. Okay, so that's what it is. अगर 1 PM और 2 PM दोनों सेम है तो the mid temperature would be, okay, perpendicular would be same, which is 36. Last, during this period in the patient's temperature showed an upward trend. कहाँ पड़ा है? तो 9 से 10 के बीच में, then 10 to 11 के बीच में, and 2 to 3 के बीच में. अगर यहाँ पे डिक्रीज हुआ था, वापस से इन 2-3 टाइम के बीच में बढ़ा था. Okay, चलो easy है. Okay, this chapter we will finish quickly. Okay, I hope you understand this. Next question. Now children, question number 3. For an experiment in botany, two different plants. Botany का experiment. Botany means what? The study of plant. Okay. Biology की branch study of plant. Now, two plants in the plant A and plant B were grown under similar lab conditions. Same thing. Suppose same light, same temperature, something. Thus, their height was measured at the end of each week. For 3 weeks, तक इसका height measure नहीं कितना ग्रो दोनों होते हैं. It is shown by the graph. Okay, 0 to start with the 1 first week, second week, third week. Okay, 2 centimeter, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 centimeter height in the y-axis. How high was the plant A after? Plant A कितना था high after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? 2 weeks में देखो कितना था? It is 7 centimeter. 3 weeks में, okay, 3 weeks plant A, which is what? 9 centimeter. For say B, plant B, how high was the plant B for 2 weeks and after 3 weeks and 2 weeks? For see, plant A and B दोनों same थे after 2 weeks, which is 7 centimeter. But in the third week, the plant B was 10 centimeter. You can see here. How much the plant A grow during the third week? Plant A third week में कितना grow किया? तो मुझे माइनस करना है. Okay, यहाँ कितना है बेटा? 9. This is 7 and here 9. तो 9 minus 7. Same way for B. Okay, second third week के लिए कितना? तो 10. B is 10 minus 7, which is 3. Okay, during which week did the plant A grow most? Plant A सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से वीक में ग्रो किया था ज़्यादा? So it is saying that during the second week. During the second week. Okay. सब लगा यहाँ पे shoot हुआ था बेटा. It is basically A यहाँ था, यहाँ से डायरेक्ट 7 सेंटीमीटर हो गया. Okay. 2 से डायरेक्ट 7 सेंटीमीटर. 7 minus 2 is what? 5 सेंटीमीटर का shoot हुआ. Okay. During which week did the plant grow the least? सबसे कम तो भाई. Okay. During the first week. सबसे कम. Okay, only 1 centimeter in the first week. Okay, and lastly, were the two plants of the same height during any week? Yeah, same height. So it is the second week, which is 7 centimeter. Very simple, beta. Okay. The fourth question and second question, they are both like this only. Very simple questions. You can do it yourself also. Now children, use the tables to draw the linear graph. Okay, fifth question, we need to draw a linear graph. Number of days of a hillside city receives snow at different years. Okay, अलग-अलग year में कितनी snow वो particular city ने receive की, that we need to analyze. Year 2003 8 centimeter, 2004 10, 2005 5, and 2006 12. Simple draw. Exactly as we start with 2003, 0 to start with giant line. Okay, take 2 centimeter, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, 2003, 2004, 5, 6. 2003 में 8 centimeter, 2004, 10, 2005, 5, and 2006, 12. Okay, just draw a line if you are not able to identify. 2003 here, draw a line. 2004 here, draw a line. Here also. Join it. This is the linear graph. Same way for this one. 2003, the number of men women population 1000 में दिए. Okay, 11,000, 11.5, 12,000, 12.5. Okay, women both. So 2003, 12. Okay, men. Then 12.5, 13, 13.2, 13.5. Okay, this line, okay, the continuous line is forming, and this dotted line is what? Women. Women, 11.3 से start करो, 11.9 is here. Okay, I'm not. The dot is not seen properly, so this is 11.9. This is basically 13. मैंने यहाँ से हमारे 2005 में 13.6 and declining 12.8. Okay. Years and population right here. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Simple. Okay.
One and one.
One.